Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So recently I have started sharing videos on a 21 days ritual, so this one is also part of that only. So you look at the picture in this video I've shared of a masculine and a feminine. Both are sitting in the same pose. So look at the picture of this, masculine in this image. So you can see the back straight, sitting in this, meditation pose, and your fingers should be exactly like the way this guy is keeping in this, image. So make sure that all the fingers are attached. There is no gap, and back should be straight while performing this particular ritual. You can also use prayer mat, meditation mat if you have, or you can buy a new one, but make sure that that should not be used by any other person in your house. So you should have a spiritual mat. Otherwise it is also okay to sit on the ground itself when you're performing this particular ritual. But one thing you have to remember, this is guided to perform under the open sky. So it can be a balcony, it can be a roof, or it can be any other place where directly your palms are facing towards the sky and receiving the energy. Best time to perform this particular energy work is 4:24 a.m. or any time in the Brahma Muhurat. And also know that if it is not possible for you to perform this particular ritual during the Brahma Muhurat, then you have to start practicing it at one particular time for 21 days. But then know that one day you have to perform this particular ritual during the Brahma Muhurat itself. So whenever you perform any spiritual ritual or practices, any kind of energy work during the sacred time, that is Brahma Muhurat in the morning itself, then you will receive extra energy. That's what I can say, because there is always a difference. What I have experienced from my personal experience, whenever you perform it during the Brahma Muhurat and if you perform the same ritual at any other time, there will surely be a difference in receiving the energies. But again, remember, whenever you are experiencing anything in terms of spiritual, whether it is about spiritual downloads or experiencing something, from the other realm, that always depends on your karma and your intentions and your character. Because see, there are a lot of people who performs rituals and remedies for hours and hours, but they do not experience anything. So there are a lot of other reasons. So it's not necessary if you perform it, during the Brahma Muhurat and you have bad karma, so don't expect to receive or experience anything. So I was guided to perform this ritual only during the Brahma Muhurat, and it was quite easy for me because that time I was actually working in night shift, and that was a COVID time when I went through spiritual awakening. So my shift was getting over at 3:30 a.m. So I had a lot of time to perform this. So what you have to do, you have to read 21 times Hanuman Chalisa and 3 times Bajrang Band. So if you are from other country or from other religion, you can find out the similar practices which is connected to the Mars energy. I'm not aware about that, but then if you are from Hinduism, and even if you're some other religion, you can definitely practice it. And if you have really good karma, you have good intentions and a good character, you can definitely experience those divine energies if you start practicing all these things. So your back should be straight and your palms should be facing towards the sky. This is actually a receiving mode. You are ready to receive those energies, those cosmic downloads and spiritual powers. So for me, performing 21 times Hanuman Chalisa and 3 times Bhajan Band at a particular timing, that was not easy for me, because see, it generates a lot of energy and I was not aware about it. So the day I performed it, I realized it is creating a lot of energies and I will not be able to tolerate it, because I was already doing other kind of practices, and because of my spiritual awakening, a lot of activations done through the divine. So I had to balance everything. So the moment I realized that I cannot do it 21 times, but I was asked by the divine that I have to perform this. So what I did initially, I performed 3 times Hanuman Chalisa and 1 time Bajrang Band, and then gradually I started increasing it. So it took me a bit of time. First I performed this ritual for 21 days, 3 times Hanuman Chalisa and 3 times Bajrang Band or 1 time Bajrang Band. And then second time or third time I was able to practice the exact ritual what I was guided to do, this 21 times Hanuman Chalisa and then 3 times Bajrang Band. So you have to manage your time, your life according to what you are able to tolerate. in case you are not able to perform this initially 21 times for 21 days, what you can do, begin with maybe 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, or 11 times. And when you are able to easily perform this ritual for 21 days, then gradually you start increasing. Either you can directly start with 21 times or maybe even more, but then make sure that don't perform it more than 21 times, because as it actually generates a lot of energies. So there are people who definitely perform this ritual for 100 times. So I could not do it because I experienced it was generating a lot of energies. So if it is not generating a lot of energies for you, you can definitely increase the number of Hanuman Chalisas according to your requirement and according to the energy it is generating. The moment you start performing, you will be able to feel whether you can continue this much, or you have to reduce, or you have to increase. That is the part of your observation. And performing Hanuman Chalisa for 21 times, it will be time taking. So know that you also have other tasks to perform during this 21 days ritual. You have to cook your own food, you have to clean your own house. See, for cleaning house, you can definitely take help, but if you're someone who is staying alone, make sure the maximum energy you are staying, it is of your own. So during 21 days ritual, you have a lot of tasks to perform, including your energy work. There are a lot of mantras which you have to chant. You have to perform Reiki healing. So, perform the number of Hanuman Chalisas according to your time, because managing a time becomes a big task during this ritual. In case you are not able to perform this ritual during the sacred time, during the Brahma Muhurat, what you can do, you can perform this ritual during the dusk time, which is Godhuli Bela, 5 to 7 p.m. That is a best time, or else you can keep it at 9 p.m. and then avoid it later on, because if you're a real twin flame, you already go through a lot of spiritual attacks. So try finishing all of your tasks by max 11 p.m. So if you do not remember Hanuman Chalisa and Bajrang Bans, you can directly read it from the book, and you can keep your eyes open definitely, because if you do not remember, how would you perform this? So when you start practicing it, in few days you will be able to remember, and then you would not need to read it from the book directly. Whenever you're performing this particular energy work, make sure that you are facing towards east or north, and then you can also face west, but avoid facing south when you are performing this particular energy work. There are a lot of twin flames who are actually struggling to understand their communication with divine, and what I believe, that divine is always trying to communicate with you, always trying to give you signs and downloads. But then, as majority of twin flames have been through a lot of pain, betrayal, trauma, and then a lot of health issues, so blockages are there. But this is one particular ritual. If you perform it during the sacred time, during the early morning Brahma Muhurat, you will be able to understand that communication from the divine quickly and easily, and be in this acceptance. If you're a real twin flame, you cannot be dependent on other person for any kind of energy healing or any sort of guidance, because if you are a real twin flame, you are blessed with a lot of divine gifts and powers, and because of that, your dependency should be zero on other person. One more thing you have to remember, if you're a divine feminine or a particular female body who is listening to me and who is not a twin flame, that you still wish to perform this particular ritual, you have to avoid it during the period times. It is not